In order to think like a computer to solve the tasks, you'll need to define a goal and design a script. Consider how you might approach a different type of script. The first thing you should do is detail your goals for the script. What is it that you want to achieve? For example, we have a user, we want them to enter their name into a text field, and when they hit the submit button, the content on the page will change to say welcome and display their username. The next thing that we'll need to do is break this into a series of tasks that have to be performed in order to achieve the goals. So the first thing would be the script is triggered when the button is clicked. The second thing is it collects the name entered into the form field. The third thing is it checks the user has entered a value. And the fourth thing, if the user has not entered anything, a message will appear telling them to make an entry. And then the fifth thing is if the content has been entered, it displays the content on the page after the word welcome. Often scripts will need to perform different tasks in different situations. You can use a flowchart to work out how the tasks will fit together. The flowchart shows the paths between each step. Arrows show how the script moves from one task to the next. The different shapes represent different types of tasks. In some places, there are decisions which cause the code to follow a different path. This is an example of an informal flowchart, and it will help to introduce you to flowcharts as well as to help you understand how scripts work while you are in the process of learning a language. So you can see here, we've defined that when the button has been clicked, get the name entered in the form. Is there a name to get? No. Then ask the user to enter the name. Yes. Then display the user's name after the welcome text. And you can see that this type of flowchart item is an event. All the yellow ones are input and outputs, and the purple one indicates a decision. So in this way, we can clearly illustrate what is going to happen within our script.